Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting channel. In this video tutorial we are going to knit peppermint ornaments, perfect as well to decorate your Christmas tree or add as a charming gift topper. For this tutorial I'm going to use burnet yarn, a Christmas yarn, really perfect match here, but doesn't matter, you can use just green or just red color and white. Do not know the brand here. I think as well Bernard. For this tutorial I'm using circular needles 3.5 millimeters. You may use straight as well, so doesn't matter. And we will start with white color. For the white color, cast on 58 stitches using long tail cast on, turn, and we are going to start knitting in garter stitch. We do not slip the first stitch and start right away knitting. So knit all stitches till the end. Please go on knitting till the end and knit the last stitch as well. Turn. Row number 2 we are going to repeat. Knit all stitches across. Go on knitting and finish this row. Here I am. Now we are going to bind off all stitches. So knit the first stitch, knit the second one, and now slip the first stitch over the second one. Now knit one and slip over. Knit one, slip over. Knit one, slip over, knit one, slip over. Knit one, slip over. Please go on and bind off all stitches. The white part is ready. Here at the end I leave a long tail from one side. Now repeat for the second part. The second part has to be shorter, so cast on 43 stitches and repeat the pattern for the white part. Now place the green part on top of the white part, leaving at least 1.5 centimeters from one side, like this, and start rolling peppermint. Like this. In case your tail is a little bit shorter, you may always stretch a little bit the white part before sewing, or green part as well. You can stretch a little bit. Now find the tail wheel left. Thread the tail and start seaming. First of all, the outer layer, Okay, now adjust the shape so all the layers sit smoothly inside without bulging. And now insert the needle and pull it through all the layers to keep them secure and prevent them from shifting or unraveling. So it is already nice, but you can add more stitches. A little bit to the right side, a little bit to the left side. So everything stay in place and don't come apart. Now I want to also attach the green layer. So trying to pull the yarn here to this part, and let's attach a little bit closer the green layer as well. So I think it's enough, and you may cut the yarn. Now it's time to knit a twisted end or candy wrapper twists. I've done the first one, and let's do the second one together. Cast on 9 stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Row number 1, purl all stitches. Purl the first stitch and purl the last stitch. Turn. Row number 2, knit all stitches. Turn. Row number 3, again knit all stitches. Row number 4, again knit all stitches. And now just bind off all stitches. Knit the first stitch, knit the second one, and slip over. Knit one, slip over, knit one, slip over. Knit one, slip over, and so on. And the last one. Cut the yarn, again leaving the tail, Not that long. Pull the tail through the last loop. Now take the yarn needle, thread the tail, and we are going to join now two sides of the wrapper. Just pick up side ridges on one side and on another side. Then loops. Here how it looks. And now pick up stitches around. Now we can pull the tail and shape the end. Like this. Take the candy and find the place you like. Here. And the second one on the opposite side. If you like how it looks, I do. You may start seaming. Okay. Looks great? Yes, looks great. And repeat for the second end. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you have not seen it yet, I also have a video on how to make a Christmas tree ornament. Feel free to check it out if you would like to make a matching decoration. I wish you all the best and see you soon.